Hello, hello! How is everybody? Let's start with the behind the scenes! Episode 4 already, I can't believe it. So, we are going to start with Photoshop and with my layout. I'll be using this for a base for the animated banner, I think. So I'm thinking to take this as the background. So let's export it. Clean. Okay. Hum. Let's save it here. And also, I would like to export the text as an image. Let's see how it will look. Let's get our text tool and try if that was Lidi Plays Games. How it looks. Let's make it smaller. So imagine we having this, and this is like coming from here, and to be like, wait, like this. Something like that. I don't know if that is too big. I think it's fine, and then we can make it smaller from the program. So I'm thinking to even make it bigger. So it's like with the kind of with the same size as the others. Actually, this one is with... oh, it's with 200. So we should be fine. We should be completely fine if that is 200 actually. I'm actually wondering if this is more visible than the other one. Than this one. I think it is. Like, what do we have here? Without the stroke. Yeah, without the stroke, I think it's... is it more visible? I kind of like this more. So I'll just export it like that. Quick export as PNG. Wow, why did this open? Okay, so let's say Lidi Plays Games. And like that as well. Quick export is Lidi Plays Games text. Stroke. With a stroke. So we have these two. And let's head to Premiere Pro now. I have my video already prepared from the previous behind the scenes, and I wanted to try after the intro to have this animated banner. So let's try it, like after this part here. Okay, let's go with our... So here, with this transition, I would like to have also a visual transition. So we need to get this part here, move it to the right, so we have space. So we have space for this transition. It shouldn't be too big, but I'm leaving enough space to play around. So we need to now get it. Okay, I exported these to here. And the other one I think I placed somewhere in this folder. Yes, so that's the background. So let's see if I paste this here. Yep, we just have this. So let's see how we want this. We need the text. I'll try with this one. And if we get that one and hide this one, it's like that. So yeah, I think this is nicer for some reason. I don't know, I prefer it, just prefer it. Okay, so we want some transition there and to be well visible. I'm not sure if I want it smaller, but let's just try for now as it is. So in the beginning we need some transition. How did I do this? Like, I need to here place a point and then here place another point. Another point. Here I need to place a point as well, and in the end another point. We have this transition. So in the first point we would like this to be out of the scene, to not be here. Then it will move, and then here we want it to go away. So here we want it to be out already of the scene. Okay, so here it should be out, like exactly the end. So let's see. Okay, so we have the intro whoosh sound already from the previous videos. So we need to copy it. We need to copy it and we need to make these like way smaller. So I'll need to do another point here, like another point here and another point here, and for this point it will need to go away like this. See? Oh, that's not pretty nice. Let me see if we have like an outro one anyway here. Okay, that's nice. So we need to cut this here. We need to copy this. We need to go to this part with the outro one. This is a downloaded one from YouTube where you have all of these whoosh sounds. It was called whoosh sound effect. So let's see if we repo delete this part and we make here I don't know, some transition. If we make here another transition, let's see how it looks. We have our default transition selected already for Adobe Premiere. That's what I'm using. These transitions, the whip one and the constant power for the sound. Go. Okay, this isn't nice. This is way too fast. Okay, so this should be like here. This should be like in the middle of the whip. And this should be in the middle of the whip as well. Let's see now. Okay, let's go with our default settings. Stop. Nice, but not really. It's my first time doing this, so I don't know how it will go. Okay, I am removing the last part when I'm giggling. Okay, let's go with our default settings. I don't know why it's not pausing right away. I'm trying to figure out what's the problem so I can fix it. I made it! Okay, this is too slow, so it needs to go where the whip starts and ends. But these are not moving, so I need to take them and move them as well. I don't think this is... Yeah, it's going away. Let's see. Okay. Wow, the last part was super nice, actually. But this is not like it's pushing it strangely, so it's not moving together. I don't know, it's strange. Okay, let's go with our... It's not bad, though. I love the end part. I didn't expect to love this, but I love it. Okay. I actually like my giggling part now. I love the ending. I wanna make it the same for the first part. I just don't know how. No, I think that's it. Okay, this part though, for sure needs to be smaller, I think. Okay, let's go with our... I don't know, I think I like it. I'll save it as part 1 with banner. I don't know how you guys feel. I wanna only try something that I had in mind since the beginning. I have this positive people in the house thingy when somebody follows me, so I wanna try using it here, but it's quite long, so I'm not sure how it will go. Let's see. Maybe I need to make the banner a bit longer, but it will be kinda annoying, so let's see. Positive people in the house. Okay. It's strange. Positive people in the house. Okay, let's go with our... It's strange though. I'm not sure if I wanna use it. I don't know how you guys feel about it. Positive people in the house. Okay, let's go with our default settings. I don't know, let me save it as with banner, with banner and sound. It's sound. I don't know. Let's see, like that. I don't know. People in the house. Okay, let's go with our... That's actually not bad. I don't know. It's a nice idea maybe. So I'm thinking of using it.